Alright, quick share for anyone working with AI tools this year. If you've been exploring different AI platforms for content creation, automation, or just speeding up your workflow, you might want to have a look at Anara AI. I've been testing it recently, and what I like is that it doesn't feel overly complicated. You can jump in, try a few features, and see pretty quickly whether it fits into what you're doing or not. A lot of tools out there promise big things, but I always say, try them yourself first and see if they actually help you save time. That's the only way you know if it's worth keeping in your stack long term. Now, if you do decide to try on our AI, I've left my exclusive discount link in the description. You can also apply the coupon code FAISAL10, and it should give you up to 85% off, which is honestly a massive discount compared to the regular pricing. There's no pressure to upgrade straight away though. Test the features, see how it works for you, and if it genuinely helps your workflow, then you can use the discount and make the most of it while it's still active. Just thought I'd share it here in case it saves you both time and money.